In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 on your PC. So for the first step, open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So don't worry, we are not going to overpay at Steam. So go to the Steam website, then quickly search up this game. Don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game on Steam is €19.50. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is search for the same game, Car Mechanics Simulator 2018. Select the game, then go to the left side and we will select games. Then sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Once you have found one, then select it, and then we will scroll a little bit down and you will see that we can already download this game for just €3.01 compared to the price of €19.50 on Steam. So what we will do, we will purchase this game and then you will receive an email confirmation with a completely new legit Steam key to activate this game on Steam and download it on your PC for just €3.01. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.